What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'm making some jerk baby back ribs, and I'm going to make a dry rub with all these right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make my dry rub first. Apply my dry rub, then I'm going to just marinate it with some jerk marinade and roast it off with some peppers. Alright, stick around, guys. Alright, we're going to start combining the dry rub. We got salt, pepper, and ginger powder, and brown sugar, chile, allspice, some paprika, and if you got smoked paprika, that's fine also, but I'm going to use some liquid smoke. I got some liquid smoke. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and mix this in. We're going to marinate. We're going to rub this on our ribs along with our jerk marinade. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and get our rub. It's going to get all over him. Oh yeah, it's going to be good, guys. This one is going to be good. Alright, it's going to flip them over. Get the underneath. And remember, we're coming with the jerk marinade also, so you don't got to worry about getting every single area, but you want to get as much as you can. All right. All right. Now that we got that all rubbed up, good to go, we're going to change our gloves, and we're going to get our jerk marinade all over this bad boy. We're going to wrap it in foil paper and just bake it at 250 degrees for like 2.5 hours. Alright, now we're going to get a piece of foil. Just going to make, alright, we're going to add our ribs. Good. Let's start with that side up. Gonna pour jerk marinade all over that bad boy. I'm just gonna apply it all over. Now we're putting it in the foil, so when we turn it over and all of this liquid fall off, it's still gonna be in the on the meat like that. All right, so there we go. Alright, that should be good. And we're not going to add our peppers to this yet. We're going to wait till probably like when it's like 15 minutes left. We don't want the peppers to be overcooked. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wrap this, close it, and slow cook it in the oven. Oh yeah, this one is going to be good, guys. Alright, so for this part now, go ahead and take these gloves off. Just gonna get a nice wrap in this. So here we go, guys, all wrapped up. We're gonna wrap this in a baking tray or sheet tray or a rack and just let it sit in the oven at I'm at 280 degrees. It's gonna stay there for at least 2 hours. Alright, guys, so it's been a while. We're going to pull them out and check it, see where we at. Alright, guys, so let's just Open this bad boy, see where we at. All right, look at all that juice. So when I quiet the it, guys, we're gonna put them in back without the top piece this time though. Just gonna create a cap so the juice don't run out. I'm just gonna put them in for another 30 to 45 minutes. All right. All right, guys, so we're almost there now. We're gonna go ahead and add some peppers to this bad boy. All right. Alright, now we're gonna cover this. And we're gonna crank the oven up to like 300. And we're gonna let it sit in there for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, and then we'll be ready. So when you see me again, we'll be ready. Alright, guys, there you are. Now that's ready. Alright. So this is what we got for you guys. Some nice jerk baby back ribs. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and cut into that. Nice little plate. And we're ready to enjoy. Alright guys, so now let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Nice. Woo! Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead, cut some of these and lay them out on the plate. Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna enjoy this, guys.